Hey guys, welcome to another Your Questions video. In this video, we have a question from Raghavendra Elumalai. He's asking, financing the second year of studies. All the resources available online mention only about blocked account required for the visa, and there's no proper information that is mentioned regarding the second year of studies. What other ways are available for financing the second year of study? So that's a really good question, and we are going to go into more detail about this. The basic rule of thumb when you're thinking about coming to Germany is for every single month that you're staying here, you have to show 861 euros in your blocked account or in your current account. Some offices allow that. This is not a common rule for all of the foreign offices throughout Germany. So some also allow that, okay, you just show 861 euros per month in your current account, but many of them will tell you that you have to create a blocked account where you are showing 861 euros per month for whatever duration you're wanting to stay here. So for 1 year, it comes around 10,000 euros. Now there are a few ways you can start gathering the funds for the second year when you're in your first year already. The first thing is to spend less, because of course you do not need 861 euros every single month to live. You generally can get by anywhere from 450 euros to 500 to maximum 600 euros, depending on what kind of place you're living at. If your rent is too high, think about moving to a WG or something where the rent is lower, because if you take a look at places like Chemnitz and stuff, you can get a place for as less as 180 euros, and I've even heard stories for 120 euros. So that is a possibility. In Hamburg, you can get a good hostel for 300 euros or 250 euros, around that ballpark. So that really reduces a lot of your costs. So like Raghavendra said, first, you can find part-time jobs very easily by taking a look at eBay Kleinanzeiger. Maybe there are some kind of jobs available there which are offering part-time. Then you have Stepstones. You can work in your own relevant field with some kind of major company and so on. Or you can do delivery, because again, a lot of students, not just international students, but also a lot of German students also think about doing delivery jobs to pay off the bills, and there's nothing wrong in that. The second is internship. When you're coming to study in Germany as a non-EU student, you can either work 120 full days, so 8 hours per day, which turns out to be somewhere around 960 hours, or 240 half days. So you have to stay in this limit. So you can also do a paid internship, maybe during your semester vacation whatsoever, or you can take a separate Urlaub semester. So this is the 6 months where you do not have to study, but you can then take out the time for doing your internship and so on. The third thing is, of course, scholarships, like we talked about previously. Scholarships generally vary in amount. If you're taking a look at something like Deutschlandstipendium, which every university gives out in collaboration with different kind of companies, so this is going to amount to 300 euros of extra money per month that you can put to the side and also show when you're extending the second year of residence permit. And the fourth big thing, which a lot of people have confusion about and almost nobody on YouTube talks about, is freelancing. As a non-EU student, you can do freelancing in Germany, but there are some kind of rules and regulations attached to that. Prinny, who was previously doing an internship with me and is now working at BIG full-time, she has experience in freelancing and how she got the permission for that. The detailed video for that is available on Brandevice, and we have also made a crash course for freelancing in Germany, which is at a very affordable price, so that you can already get educated on what are the necessary permissions that you need to be able to start freelancing in Germany as a non-EU student. Yes, it is allowed, but you have to take the permission from the Ausländersbehörde, and it could be different in every single case. So all of the details for that you can find in the crash course, and in the preview lessons I already show you what kind of government websites actually state that as a non-EU student you're allowed to do freelancing as long as you're under the 120 full day limit or 240 half day limit. So we will be making a lot more content about it, because again, we are the first ones trying to educate you about freelancing opportunities in Germany. Nobody else has done that before, and we are going to be the first ones who are going to bring a lot of value to you in terms of how can you start freelancing in Germany. The crash course for freelancing in Germany is at a very affordable price, so that you can still invest in yourself, learn what kind of things are needed, what kind of things you have to take care of, so that you can go ahead and make a better case for yourself when you're asking for permission from your university, from the Ausländersbehörde and so on. The detailed video with Prinny where she talks about her experience of going to the Ausländersbehörde, asking for the permission, taking permission from the university and everything, all of that you will also find inside the course. The fifth thing that you can do is you can also take a look at different kind of grants given out by different German companies. So the motivation behind many German companies is that they're able to kind of motivate the talents already when they're in their studies, so that they think about joining that particular company when they are done with their studies and are willing to study full time. So there are a lot of companies who do that. You have to like go online and learn more about it. But in case you're interested, I also have a PDF for different kind of scholarships in Germany, the link for which you will find in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. Check out the crash course for freelancing in Germany on Big Academy, and there's going to be another detailed video available on Brand Device. Take a look at that, and I'll see you in the next one.